Althea here from MetMG.com, and today we're making some burnt sugar or browning, perfect for Guyanese black cake or stews. Start by adding half a cup of brown sugar to a pot, then shake to distribute evenly. Set the heat to high and let the sugar come up to temperature until it caramelizes and becomes bubbly. Do not touch it during this time. At the end of this video, I share why you don't need to touch it, as well as some other things that could go wrong when you're making burnt sugar or browning. Once the sugar starts to smoke a bit, give it a stir to prevent it from burning. Then add half a cup of red wine, turn off the heat, and mix the red wine into the burnt sugar as quickly as possible, taking care to mix in and dissolve any bits that hardened when you added the wine. Alternatively, you can add some spice-infused water instead of wine. To a saucepan, add some water, cloves, cinnamon, and bring to a boil. Continue to boil until the water is a dark color, about 5 minutes. Then strain off the water into a cup, leaving the whole spices behind. Add the spice water to the burnt sugar and mix well. Pour the burnt sugar browning into a jar and allow it to cool. It will thicken some more as it cools. Now let's tackle some FAQs. What happens if you add the sugar to a hot pan instead of letting the pan and sugar come up to temperature together? The sugar starts to burn immediately and it is harder to manage. How about if you add the sugar and stir it constantly while it comes up to temperature? Then the sugar becomes clumpy and you may have undissolved lumps in your browning or burnt sugar. What if you left the heat on while you mixed in the wine or water and let the browning cook some more? Then you will have a really thick and sticky browning that will not mix into your cakes and will harden when added to the batter.